I wanted to talk to you about a common response I hear when discussing with business owners and managers the benefits of streamlining their business and improving their efficiency. When I raise the idea of improving efficiency, the most common response I get goes something like this: "That'll never work here. We mainly do one-offs. Every job is different." Unfortunately, many people believe that they need to be making large quantities of standardized products if they want to enjoy the benefits of economies of scale. Increasing your business's efficiency does not require the making of millions of a single product or the purchasing of components by the tens of thousands. Instead, businesses need to stop thinking in terms of the individual jobs they are completing and start identifying the common elements that span their entire business. When I say common element, I mean look at your business in terms of all the pieces that go into delivering your product to your customer, and then look for commonalities between those pieces. Let's go through a few examples. What processes are common to most, if not all, the jobs your business performs? There are two types of processes: administrative processes, such as the communicating of job information from the sales team to the production team, and functional processes, such as the setting up of a piece of material for a cutting operation. Now, refining processes will take resources, but by focusing on the processes that affect multiple areas of the business, you can achieve significant benefits with a limited resource spend. Working through the list, seek to optimize each process using the following strategy. Elimination. If the process adds no value, don't do it. Combination. Where possible, combine processes together to deliver the same result for less input. Simplify. Review the process, remove the non-value adding steps and complicated actions. Standardize. Make sure everybody is doing the same process in the same way. Automate. If possible, try to automate part, if not all, of the process. And finally, embed. Train all relevant staff on how and when to use the process, and set up workstations to enable the process to be completed efficiently. Through the refining of your processes, you'll see multiple benefits, including an increase in product quality and productivity, decrease in rework and errors, a reduction in lead time, and an increase in the engagement and satisfaction of your staff. And the ultimate combination of all of these is happier customers. Another example is sub-assemblies. Do you have sub-assemblies that are common to multiple jobs? Identifying and using sub-assemblies allows you to fabricate or purchase the sub-assembly in more efficient batch sizes rather than as individual piecemeal items. Purchasing is another area where the leveraging of common elements can yield significant rewards. Do you have purchased components that are used across many jobs? Review your purchasing history for the last 6 to 12 months. Can you identify components that you currently purchase piecemeal per job, but when viewed in the context of the whole year, add to a significant volume? Taking this increased quantity or forecast to your supplier can enable you to negotiate better purchasing agreements, such as decreased pricing or asking the supplier to hold onto inventory for you of your most critical items. This can further decrease your lead times and reduce the amount of inventory you need to keep on hand. Another approach is to identify similar components that you purchase across multiple vendors. Again, looking back over your previous 6 to 12 months, see if you can identify a family of components and materials that, when bundled together, create a significant volume. Taking this volume to your suppliers will give you more power to negotiate a better purchasing agreement. The final example I'd like to go through is continuous improvement. Fixing problems takes resources, but if you can identify a problem that is impacting multiple areas of your business, you can achieve significant benefit with minimal resource spend. The nature of these problems can vary, but examples can include a bottleneck or reliability issue with a common piece of equipment, a lack of staff training, or poor communication between departments. But the important thing is, by seeking out and eliminating these issues, you can achieve real benefit for your business. Well, that's it. Starting with these 5 examples, why don't you take a look at your own business and see if you can find other economies of scale that are there just waiting to be exploited. Thank you for watching, and remember, keep moving forward.